Anxiety as Obaseki remains in isolation 3 weeks after testing negative to COVID-19. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki is yet to perform any official function barely 3 weeks after he was reportedly declared negative for coronavirus. To this end, the State Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu has been coordinating the anti-COVID-19 task force and occasionally presents updates to journalists, including steps taken to curb the virus spread and guidelines to residents. However, it was gathered that the governor may have been barred from giving intermediate briefing on COVID-19. Since then, residents and journalists are in the dark as it concerns updates on the deadly disease. According to the National Center for Disease and Control (NCDC), Edo State has 15 confirmed cases of the virus with 1 death. The governor has gone into self-isolation as a result of his close contact to the Chief of Staff of the President, Abba Kyari, and Bauchi State Governor, Senator Bola Mohammed, who had both tested positive to the novel virus COVID-19. While the Bauchi governor has now been discharged after testing negative for the virus, Abba Kyari is currently receiving medical attention. On March 25th, Kurso Osaige, the special advisor to Governor Obaseki on media and communication strategy, in a statement said the governor has tested negative for COVID-19. According to Kurso, I can confirm that the governor tested negative for the coronavirus when he ran the rapid diagnostic test for the virus. However, we are currently awaiting the result of a more conclusive test. In the meantime, the governor has decided to continue to work in self-isolation and he is asymptomatic, he added. At the time of filing this report on Thursday, no further test result has been announced by the media aide. On April 2nd, the governor, while in isolation, signed the Quarantine Regulation Act, the Public Health Law, and other regulations. Also, in an address to residents on April 8th, Governor Obaseki said, with 11 confirmed cases of the disease as at Wednesday, April 8th, evidence shows that the number of cases is likely to increase significantly in the next few weeks. For the next 14 days, it is compulsory that every person in Edo State must wear a face mask in public. The Edo State Association of Tailors and Fashion Designers are mass producing high-quality, reusable face masks at affordable prices, Obaseki said. So, my people, this is the news reaching us at the moment. We all know that Obaseki had tested negative for COVID-19 at some point, and this was as a result of him being in contact with the Chief of Staff of President Muhammad Buhari and also the Governor of Bauchi State, Senator Bola Mohammed. But the worries, the concerns at the moment is that he still remains in isolation after 3 weeks to testing to this to testing negative to this COVID-19. We are unsure why he's still in isolation. Normally, if you test positive, then you isolate yourself and after 14 days, they run another test and all of that. But at the moment, he's still in isolation. We're not sure what the situation is, but we all know that in Edo State, the NCDC has confirmed 15 cases of the virus and 1 death. While he would at the initial stage, while he was in isolation, we remember that he addressed the people of Edo State from working from home. He addressed them, stating that everyone has to wear face masks in public for the next 14 days if they are going out, and they have to practice social distancing as well. Not more than 20 persons are meant to gather in a place at a particular time. But since he gave that speech and all of that, we haven't seen him. He has not performed any official function. He has not come out. It's just been the Deputy Governor, Philip Shaibu, speaking on his behalf. We know recently Philip Shaibu spoke on his behalf again, stating that they've placed a ban on street trading and all of that. But Obaseki is still yet to partake in any public function. We don't know what the situation is at the moment. We'll keep our ears open, and as soon as we get any update, we'll bring that out to you. Just that there's a little bit of anxiety as he still remains in isolation. This is like 3 weeks after he tested negative. So people, that's the news reaching us at the moment. We want to take this time to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to us. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, do click on the subscribe button down below, and also click on the notification bell, as it enables you to get updates of all of our latest news as they come in. We want to say thank you once again. Till I come your way again, it's bye for now, and God bless.